Now listen, I figured I would come to you guys on this. Look, come on, group chat, don't start. But I thought I would come to you guys on this good morning and show you the real. Because this is the real. The naturals that, religiously wash their hair every week, leave in oil, cream, deep condition, pray over it, all of that. That don't necessarily be me. Like sometimes I really be on it. And then sometimes my hair just goes in and out of a bun for weeks at a time. And I don't feel like anybody talks about that side of the natural hair lifestyle and journey. Like they be acting like they doing what they doing on these videos consistently every week. And it might be some people out there that's doing that, but it ain't me. It's not always cute. It's not always together, twist outs, popping, curls, juicy, Jerry curl juice. It's not always like that. If you are a lazy natural and you ain't really got your life together like that, like me, keep on watching this video. All right, y'all, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out this flat twist in the front. It's straight catfish. Like when my hair is raggedy, I like to put a nice, neat, moisturized twist in the front to where it looks like my hair is doing something, but then the back is just in a dry bun, dying a slow death. As you can see, it's matted, it's dry. I have so much product buildup from just adding more gel. Do not be like me, but this is the state that we're in and we're gonna bring it back. So the first thing I like to do is just let the water run through my hair. I feel like water in general is so slept on when it comes to a moisture routine. Like people will ask me about products all day and forget that you just cannot beat plain H2O. But anyways, right here, I'm just showing you how I go in with these little lobster finger claws, whatever you want to call it. But I like to just do that to massage out the shed hair that has been building up. I don't rake, I just gently pull apart as the water is running through and massage out that shed hair. As you can see right there, the shed hair is just sliding out. If you get a fairy knot like I got right there, I like to pull it out one strand at a time. I do not just pull it off the end. If it will not come out, cut it. Don't pull it or you'll end up with split ends. But once I have massaged out as much shed hair as I can, I'm going to cleanse. And today I'm going in with the Chocolate Kinks and Curls Key Lime and Truffle Shampoo Bar. I really like this shampoo bar. I've used it before on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, go follow me there because I do little short snippet videos. But this shampoo bar is the bomb specifically because it has really good moisturizing properties. I feel like my scalp and hair is clean, but it's not stripped. I like to start at the perimeter and then work it through my scalp and then work it down the ends. I used to be one of those people that be like, oh, shampoo is supposed to be for your scalp. But that was when I was using trash shampoos. Once I upgraded my life, shampoo does not dry your hair out if you're using the right ones. My old school Pantene would have my hair in a knot until I put the conditioner in. Look at this right here. Like this is my hair freshly shampooed and it's already getting some definition. It's soft, it's shrinking, which means it is moisturized. It is not dried out. So to add on to this foundation of moisture, I'm going to go in with the Aloe Colada Deep Conditioning Treatment, also by Chocolate Kinks and Curls. And there is not enough good things I could say about this deep conditioner. All of the claims are true. Absorbs into your hair, checks, softens, and detangles, check. Light scent, check. Designed for you to relax and enjoy your wash day, check. Like sis did her thing with this. Look at the slip. Just look at it. Like this conditioner worked immediately, but I still twisted my hair up and let it sit for 15 minutes under heat. And the results were amazing. Like the shrinkage alone lets me know that my hair is moisturized, it's soft, it's already defined and ready to style. So here I'm just further prepping my hair for styling. I'm going in with the Pineapple Colada hair milk that I'm using as a leave-in and the Lemon Rose Renewal oil to seal. What I like most about these products is that they absorb so well and they're very lightweight. I don't have to worry about a white cast or flakes because the products are fully absorbed. That's what you want to look for in a leave-in. As you'll see in the next clips, I did not have any issue with flaking when I was styling. I'm gonna go ahead and get into styling and really defining, going through and defining my curls. I just wanted to lock in that moisture. As soon as I rinsed out the deep conditioner, went in with the hair milk and the Renewal oil, and now I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Kinks and Curls Lemon Rose Defining Gel. And this is my hair right now with just the Curl and Style milk and the Renewal oil. So as you can see, it's already shiny and moisturized and looking good before I even go in with my defining product. And that's one thing that I be trying to tell y'all when y'all say your wash and goes is trash, your hair ain't moisturized ahead of time before you go in with the styler, and then you want the styler to just work some kind of voodoo. It's not gonna work. So as you can see, the hair is already like, the hair is already moisturized. So I'm about to go in with just a little bit. That's kind of a lot. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit just to start off. Time out though. I was not prepared for this at all. Like, wow. Wow. I'm shook. The curl definition. The moisture. Woo. Chile. Ooh. Look at this. Y'all. I am freaking loving these results. Like, look at the shine. It's just, for what my hair was before, come on now. Like, I will officially say that with Chocolate Kinks and Curls, you could buy everything. Like, there's nothing that you could buy that would be a bad purchase. Like, look at these curls. I didn't even really pick it. Like, I think I went through a little bit with the pick, and the only reason I didn't do that is because my hair wasn't 100% dry to be picking it out. But this is like really, really good volume too. Like, I don't know, it just really didn't weigh my hair down, and my hair was able to kind of shrink into its natural shape, and it's shiny, it's defined. You cannot deny these results. Alright y'all, if y'all made it to the end of this video, that means you truly rock with your girl and you get first dibs on this giveaway. I will be giving away the CKK Wash Day Trio, which includes the Key Lime Truffle Shampoo Bar, the Cocoa Cream Clay Wash, and the Deep Conditioning Treatment. The giveaway is US only, but all you need to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and also comment down below and let me know what you think of these results. I really, really appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully.